have a class called Teen Challenges and Choices, and it's a class that's offered to freshmen and sophomores. And we talk about different issues. We talk about that it's really hard being a teenager nowadays.
The focus of this course is to help today's typical teen make decisions that create a healthy lifestyle. In this course, you will learn about goal setting, peer pressure, self-esteem, and become aware of the consequences of substance abuse.
They talk about peer pressure, drugs and alcohol. They talk about body image, nutrition, things that kids really need to know as they become adults.
They get to actually set their own goals, and we track them through the semester. We see how they do, and then we talk about all the issues that might be a block or a boundary to that. And those things would include drugs, alcohol, any kind of compulsive or obsessive behavior, conflict with other people, their peers, students. How do you handle peer pressure? So they get to actually learn about those things firsthand. We have guest speakers. Obviously, we have a lot of classroom activities and a lot of student discussion about those issues.
In addition, discussion and study will cover relationships, STDs, and laws affecting teens.